Hello, my dear children. How you all are? Hope you all are well and spending a quality time with your family members. After a long time, I am here before you. I am your resource teacher, Raj sir. In a matter of months, you may have felt how the world has been changed. We are still holed up at home, practicing social distancing and working remotely. It is the time that has taught us the lessons of patience and discipline. Do you know, my dear students, that this type of change in time leads to the introduction of some lasting habits? Those habits which, with time, we were on the verge of losing are once again being brought back in our life. The habits of taking good care of personal health and hygiene, intaking nutritious food, paying attention to our elderly persons, and being respectful towards them who serve the society are some such habits. One thing you may have also noticed how nature is in the process of healing its wounds on its own. As you know that on 22nd day of this month we have observed the International Day for Biological Diversity, and the 5th day of the coming month, that is the 5th June, we shall observe the World Environment Day. I have thought to celebrate this occasion in an innovative way. We, through quizzing, shall turn to the lap of the Mother Nature and enable ourselves to explore its rich flora and fauna. Now, the first thing I should share with you is that what nature is and how we mankind are related to it. So, to get the answers, let me tell you that nature is the whole of the physical world. We live in the kingdom of nature and interact with it constantly. Thus, it can be said that we are the part of nature. So, whatever we need to survive are provided by the natural world around us. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and whatnot. Now, let us get to know some interesting facts about nature. This is a quiz on nature. And here comes question number 1 for you. This is the official logo of an international organization working in the field of wilderness preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. It aims to stop the degradation of the planet's natural environment and to build a future in which humans live in harmony with nature. Can you name the organization? This organization is having a logo of the giant panda. I have given a clue for you in the picture. See the logo WWF. Can you name the organization? And the answer is yes. This is the official logo of the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Is it not so interesting? And here comes question number 2 for you children. Wow! This is the world's tallest flying bird. I can give you 2 clues. This bird has the longest legs. Clue number 2, they are also known for their fascinating coat dance. Now children, can you name the bird? How beautiful dance, isn't it? And the answer is the world's tallest flying bird is Saurus crane. Yes, children, the bird can dance so beautiful. Lovely. And here comes question number 3 for you. How nice. It is the art or practice of clipping shrubs or trees into ornamental shapes. How beautiful. See the shapes? What is the art or practice called? Can you name? Yes, yes. Guess? Any guess? Yes. And the answer is, it's called topiary. The art or practice of clipping shrubs or trees into ornamental shapes is called topiary. And now, question number 4 for you children. We all know that the national animal of India is the Royal Bengal tiger. Can you name the national aquatic animal of India? Yes, we do have an aquatic animal as our national aquatic animal. Can you name the national aquatic animal of India? I have given you a clue as a picture. Yes? Can you identify the animal? The clue is in the picture, see? Yes, and the answer is Gangetic river dolphin. The national aquatic animal of India is Gangetic river dolphins. Are you happy? Yes. Now, question number 5 for you. And this is the last question of today's quiz. And here comes question number 5 for you. Located in a northeastern. And now comes the last question of today's quiz. Question number 5. Wow, the floating wonder of the world. And it is in India. Located in a northeastern Indian state, Kaibul Lamjau National Park is the world's only floating wildlife sanctuary. The park's Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northern India, is a spectacular sight, dotted with green patches and rings of vegetation known as fumdi that float atop the water. The biodiverse park, Kaibul Lamjau, provides sustenance to the people and animals of this state, including the Shanghai deer, an endangered subspecies of brow-antlered deer, revered by locals as the binding soul between humans and nature. Can you name the Indian state that is the home to this floating wonder of the world? Is it not amazing? Yes. And the answer is? Guess? Yes, yes, yes. It is Manipur, one of the 7 sister states of the northeast India. It is the home to this floating wonder of the world. Let us all join our hands together and do our part to protect and conserve nature. A very important thing that I should also tell you is this, that I have uploaded a very interesting set of resource material on nature and wildlife titled Live with Nature. This set is having 3 segments. The first segment is having some amazing notes of information regarding nature and wildlife. The next segment is pick and tick. And also, there is an interesting activity in the form of crossword. So, it's time to enjoy reading and knowing. Happy reading. Thank you.